Greetings. Joseph Kursky here with you to welcome you to Week 2 of Loki 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Glad you're here. What's not to love about mapping? We'll investigate in this week space, place, and time, all important concepts in location intelligence. Why? Well, the Earth is changing. Some changes occur over a long time, like plate tectonics and the movement of the continents. Some changes occur over a shorter period, such as urbanization, and some over seconds, such as stream flow changes or wildfire advancement or traffic. How do we map these things to understand our changing world? That's one of the things we're going to focus on. But I also want to emphasize that location intelligence is not just quantitative data. And one example is our sense of place. How can we map that? One way is through multimedia maps, such as story maps. So we'll focus on that this week. Also, we'll focus on fundamentals like latitude and longitude, coordinate systems, map projections, scale, resolution, precision, and accuracy. And precision and accuracy are not the same thing. We will also get into color theory, map symbols, generalization, and other things that help us go from a data set to a map. We will investigate classification methods and why they matter. We will also have a discussion on ethics. You know, maps are powerful and laden with meaning. You, as a map maker, are often faced or will be faced with ethical decisions as you process data and make maps. Now, our hands-on lab time, folks, will take us from investigating the Human Development Index by country around the world to county-level health data for the USA, from mapping isolines to exploring the world's cities with 3D globes. We will make cartograms and study the eruptions in Kilauea, Hawaii, using fascinating new imagery. And as usual, you will take a short quiz, and that's a wrap for week number 2. Thanks, and map on.